Hello everyone. We had 2 inches of rain last night, so it's a perfect time for me to try out some things in my mini fire kit. First, I've got to gather up some materials. Well, I've got all my components laid out, the pencil lead, the pencil, the bigger pieces, all the way up to what will be the fuel. And I'll say some of that fuel is pretty doggone soaked. I'm going to be using one Bigfoot fire plug. I want to gain some confidence in this thing, so that's why I'm going to try it. The fire lay is pretty simple. Just 2 pieces of wood laid on the ground. That's going to keep my kindling off the ground while it's resting over this burning fire plug. All of this stuff's pretty doggone wet. Lay it on piece by piece. I can see some good coals down there. Appears to be struggling a little bit. I'm going to start laying the bigger stuff, kind of like a teepee. And this stuff is almost super soaked. I'm going to concentrate the fuel a little closer to those coals. Still trying to make sure enough air is getting down there, but I believe it's time to get the fuel a little closer to the heat. Being careful not to smother the fire. Add on some more big fuel. We got some wet stuff. More fuel added, coming up on an hour. Again, this is soaking wet stuff, y'all. This last stuff that I'll be adding, it's a bit dry in the center. About an hour's work. At least I know now how much time I need to build up some coals if I want to cook something on a campfire after a 2-inch rain. And I realized my techniques were not perfect. Things could have been done a lot better. Sure, I could have batoned out some dry stuff, but this was a practice drill for me to see if I could build a fire from stuff just laying on the ground. It would be safe to say that I've got a sustainable fire going here. Well, this was practice for me, a confidence builder. It's been a while since I've built a fire in wet conditions. Now, as I go on, I'd like to build a fire like this using flint and steel, or maybe even bow drill. That's something that'll be coming in the future. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.